Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an AI video for beginners in 2024. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to generate an engaging AI video using some simple and accessible tools. Whether you are looking to create some content for social media, marketing, or even some personal projects, this guide is for you. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this if you want. Of course, once you open your browser, you'll need to go to the specific website. Of course, there are several AI video tools available that you can use to create your own videos, such as Lumen 5, Synthesia, and Pictory as an example. So just open all those options. So go here to the URL section, open three tabs. First one is example, just go to Lumen 5. Second option, go to Synthesia as an example. And third option, of course, you will need to go to, oh, what did I say the third option was? It was, wait, let me just remember. So it was Pictory, yeah. So Pictory here and hit the enter button. So as you can see, just go to the first link of each one of those options. And of course, in this video, I'll be focusing normally on Lumen 5 the most, but of course, I'll show you like a sneak peek kind of about the other options. So I'll let that at the end. So here, as you can see, once you are in their home screen, you can log in if you have an account by any chance. If you don't have an account, click on sign up and you can sign up for free. Of course, it's the same button if you click on it. So just click on it. As you can see, verifying you're human. So let's just wait for it until it's verified that. As you can see, verification successful. And here you can simply just create your account, starting by your full name as example. So I'll just go here and enter my full name. Then your work email. As example, let me just check if Gmail is working. I'm not very sure if it's going to work or something like that. And password, of course, I'll just go and enter that and then click on create an account. Of course, you can sign up with a Facebook account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. You can sign up with this Facebook option. So as you can see, let's set up your brand kit. First of all, you need to choose a brand color. As example, you can add whatever how many colors that you want. So for me, as example, choose here like this blue. Neutral colors, of course, you can add them also. Then, and of course, as you can see, minimum here, two colors. So I'll choose, as example, purple or light purple, of course, and blue, and then click on continue. As you can see from here, you can choose a template first of all. So, I don't know, I'll just choose like this template. Why not? As you can see, so you can see the template of that video that you want to create with AI. So you can see this example. If you didn't like it, maybe you can go with something like this. As you can see it's how to preview in every option. Maybe so. Example, I like this. I'll just go and get started with it. And of course, let me just show you like one thing. So I'll just go here. Of course, they have a plan. Just in case, yeah, I'll just go here and click on upgrade. So they have like four plans: basic, starter, professional, and enterprise. So if you don't want the Lumen branding on your video to show, you'll need at least basic plan. Of course, you'll get advice, AI script, longer AI voiceover, and here you will get everything in here plus a lot, as you can see. So each, if you pay more, you'll get more. As you can see, the $0 you'll just contains the watermark, just 720p video resolution, up to 5 videos a month, and 2 minutes of AI voiceover. So keep that in mind. So here, yeah, I'll just go. And so how do you like to get started? Do you want text to media or AI voiceover or talking ahead? As you can see, so we can even start from scratch. So maybe as an example, I'll just do AI voiceover. So what will your video be about? As an example, so you can even go back example and choose, yeah, let's go back. I want maybe voiceover, so I can use my microphone here to record right now as example what I'm trying to say. So I'll just see a basic word like hello everyone and welcome. So yeah, so hello everyone. Okay, I'll just click on start recording first. So 3 2 1. And hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do that. As simple as that. I'll click here on pause, then click on finish recording. Of course, you can retake it or resume it, whatever you want. Then click on finish recording. And as you can see from here, you'll be able to hear your voice. Then click on upload recording if you like it. Click on Gata, of course. So uploading your voice over recording here. So just wait for it until it's uploaded. As you can see, the bots are working hard to make your video. So as example, once you upload your voiceover, they will create the video right away. So as example, yeah. So as you can see, they make a video for you. Of course, you can preview it already by simply clicking on preview. So you can see how it's gonna look like. See, so as I said, how to do that, and they make it like right away. And of course, as you can see, there is a thing, of course, you can see here. And the last of this video, you'll find this like Lumen 5 and etc. If you didn't like this, of course, you can just go to whatever video like editing you have, like CapCut, Adobe Premium, whatever you have, and simply just cut this last section, and you'll have your video without it. So if you care about this Lumen, etc. But as you can see, first you can add multiple stuff to it. So I have just 2 slides that's changing. Of course, I can add whatever media I want. I can add a lot of other voice. I can add like other things that I want. So I'll be able to do a lot of things. So other than Lumen 5, you have this Pictory as an example. You can get started for free with it as well. And of course, we have the Synthesia. So for Synthesia, of course, it's totally like paid. You'll just be able to create a free AI video, like a small AI video. As you can see, you can simply just choose here whatever it's gonna say, and of course, you can choose a template. So whatever it's gonna say, and you'll have to choose that. So, for example, I'll just choose here hello and click on generate. Of course, they'll take me to create an account, and they'll make this video. Once I finish with that, they will tell me to pay. As simple as that. So you don't have a free plan in here at all. And for this, as example, you can simply just go and create an account with Google for this Picture AI. Of course, I can create an account here. It's Google will share your name and etc. So you can create an account using Google. If you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating even logging into your account, as you can see, you will have just a free plan of 14 days, and of course, you will not be able to get like more than that. So keep that in mind. Of course, you can if you have multiple like Gmail accounts, you can use it for free. And yeah, so you have here 4 options to create a video. You can change the script to a video, article to a video, edit video using text, or Visual Studio or visuals to video, depending on whatever you want. As an example, random or I'll just article about like food. So example, I'll just go and hit that link, go here, paste that URL here, click on proceed. As simple as that. And that's it. So as you can see, extracting key messages in the article. So I'll just pause the video once it's finished this. It might take like 5 minutes or so. I'll tell you how much time it took. So I'll just wait for it and I'm coming back to you. So, okay, it did not even take a lot of time to tell me like unable to read your article, probably because it was like a big one or something like that, and I'm just on the free plan. So basically, you can just go and add your article here, click on proceed. As I said, you can even use this script to video. So just hello, everyone, or something like that. So everyone here, and you can simply just enter whatever you want. Yeah, of course, this is a random thing. That's why it comes there. Then you can click on proceed. Of course, they'll take you like where you should be able to do it. Okay, super cool. So as you can see, you'll have to finish this to add text. Basically, this is like just a thing to help you out while you're creating your video if you are not new to it. So, for example, hello everyone. It's a simple video created with a script. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.